Let's see another problem. Given an array of words and a string, we need to count all the words that are present in a given string. In order to explain the given problem, first we need to know a function called str. str string 1, string 2. Here string 1 is the main string, string 2 is the substring. If you want to check whether the substring is present in the main string or not. If the substring is present in the main string, it returns a pointer, points to the first character of the string 2 in string 1. Let me explain by giving an example. Let me take char str1 with the size 20 equals to C programming. Another character variable str2. Programming. I declared two character variables str1 and str2. str1 is C programming and str2 is programming. As like I said before, it returns a pointer. str function returns a pointer, right? So I am going to declare a pointer with the character data type star p. Let's assume. Yeah. Next, p equals to, I am going to catch the value which is returned here, returned by the str function. So I am going to assign the returned value to p. P is equals to str of str1, main string as first argument, substring as second argument. Now if you want to, let me print this, printf of percentile C, comma, star p. Here string 2 is compared with string 1. Programming is present in string 1. So it has to return a value, right? Every function should return a value. So it returns the value of p, the character p, which is the first character of the second string when it is compared with the first string. So it returns p. So the p star p prints p. I am going to take which is not present in the string 1, which is d, anything. It is not present in first string, so it returns null. If string 2 is not present in string 1, it returns null. If string 2 is present in string 1, it returns the first character of the second string when it is compared with the string 1. So by using str function, I am going to write the C program. So let's go through the code. I am writing this program in order to ask the user to enter the data. I declared the str words and a pointer result and another variables which are used in the following code. Here the compiler asks the user to enter a string. If I enter the string as C programming, if I enter the string as C programming, after that the compiler asks the user to print number of words. How many number of words you want to check with the main string, and let's take number of words as 3, n equals to 3. Next it asks enter 3 words. Enter words. Next you need to enter any three words you want to enter. I'm going to enter C programming and me. I have entered three words, C programming and me. Then it goes to the for loop. For I equals to 0, 0 is less than 3. It enters the for loop result. It is the pointer variable, and here it is the str function. It is a predefined function, so we need to include a header file string.h. Here str is the main function, right? C programming. C program is compared with the words of I. Here words of I means words of 0. I is replaced with 0. Words of 0 is C. C is stored in words of 0. C is compared with the main string. If C is present, it returns the value of first character of the second string, or the first character of the words. It returns C. If of C, which is true, it increases the count value. Initially, I declared count with with 0. Now the count value becomes 1. C and D equals to 1. After this, it increases the I value. I value becomes 1. 1 less than 3, which is true. Again, it's check the str function will check the condition. C programming is compared with the programming. Programming is present in the main string, so it returns P. The P will be replaced here. The if condition will be executed. Now the count value becomes 2. Then the I value becomes 2. 2 less than 3, which is true. It enters the for loop. str checks the condition. C programming with me. Me is not present in the string function, so it returns a null. If of null means the if condition will not be executed. The count value will be 2. After that, it increases the I value 3 less than 3, which is false. For loop will be the cursor will move out to the next statement, which is printf. The count value will be printed here. The count value is 2. As we see that C and programming are the 2 words which are present in the main string C programming. Me is not present. So 2 words are present in the main string. So the count value is 2. Like to give any string by giving any number of words, so that we can count the words which are present in the main string or not by using str function. Let's execute this program in a compiler to see whether the code is correct or not.
Here is the program. Enter a string. I'm going to enter gigs for gigs. Is a computer science portal for gigs. Enter number of words. I'm going to enter 4 words. First word, welcome. Next word, to. Next word, gigs. Next word, portal. 2 is the output.